Are you ready? Huh? Chapter all combined. Hmm.
In the relation and control, can you explain the machine part and the last one?
Yes. See, I am transferring. Shall we start the class, please? Now we are going to go for revision, full form revision. Get ready for it. See, many times function is creating problem because function many formats are there which is not understandable. Correct now? So many things of functions are there which we need to understand and which we need to align. So one by one, Sanjana, good morning. Sorry, good evening. So one by one, I will be explaining all the other parts. Now, if somebody will be asking you first question for testing, you people have to answer. Now, this is that sessions from where I will be collecting informations from you. I will give you a question and I will be asking your solutions, your answers. Okay. So the first question I'm giving from you, Kishore, everybody, please kindly now start answering. It's not the time to stay mute. It's the time to give answer. Now, beta, one question I'm asking from you, everybody. Hey, don't talk. All questions are important questions only. So now come on, go for it. The question is f of x is equal to, see the part and revision sections. Now please check this one out, beta. F such that r tends to r is there. F such that r tends to r is there, and it is defined as f of x is equal to x square plus 5. Okay. Now it is what type of function? The question lies here is, it is what type of function? You need to answer the question. It is what type of function? Understood? So now I am giving you the options. Sarna, good evening, beta. So now look here. First, A, B, C, and D. Remember, like this MCQs are coming very, very often. So we should be focusing into what is coming. 1, 1 on 2, 1, 1 on 2. Now what they will ask, injective and surjective means together they will ask bijective. Second part is many 1 on 2. Second part is many 1 on 2. Now, beta, third part is think very nicely and then answer 1, 1, but not on 2. Understood? 1, 1, but not on 2. Neither 1, 1 nor on 2. Neither 1, 1. Neither 1, 1 nor on 2. So now what answer? Because see, this is an MCQ question. Option D. Very fast. The moment Kishore has seen the question, he has given the answer. He has given option D. Children here, offline children, did you notice what answer it is going to be? Can you tell me what is the answer here? See, the correct answer I will be telling in 30 seconds because I will not take more time to explain. But here it is 1, 1 or not. Neither 1, 1 nor on 2. The specification goes here. Good evening, Ritesh. Good evening, beta. Now come on, start answering questions, children. This is the final session. 80 days left for examination. So you have to answer and I will be supporting your answers, beta. So is it going to be 1, 1 on 2? What part it is going to be? Come on. It is. Come on, children. Give me the answer. First answer Kishore has given. Here, offline children. Tanish. C. C. D. D. Okay. So here C is telling by 3 people, and online, offline children have given the answer. Kishore has given the option D. Now, what can be the answer here? See, understand. This is 1 1 on 2. 1 1 on 2 means bijective. 100% it is not going to be bijective. Correct? It is not going to be bijective. Why? Because whenever we talk about y is equal to x square plus 5, you check it is exactly y is equal to x square is u. Correct now? So here also you may be shifted like this, but so 100% it is not going to be 1 1 onto bijection is not possible. So first option is gone. Many one onto, many one is there, but onto is not possible. Here also onto is not possible. Why onto is not possible? Because here y below y axis it is not coming. 1 1, it is not at all 1 1. Correct? So this one 1 1 also went. So neither 1 1 nor onto. Absolute answer is neither 1 1 nor onto. So answer is D. What is the correct answer? D is the correct answer. Now I'm going for the next question. So those who have given, Tanish, see, I think Kishore, absolutely correct, beta, well done, super performance.
Why it is not 1 1 we can get at
See, 1 1 because it is a set of real number.
oh,
Yes, so when set of real numbers are there, 100% you are putting two different value, minus 2 you will put here a square plus 5. It is coming how much? 4 plus 5? 9. Again 2 square plus 5 you are putting, it is coming as 9. So it will never be 1 1. Where 1 1 is there, that you cut. Many 1 only is the option, and it is into. So 100% Kishore, well done. God bless you, beta. So are we going for the next question? So listen, children, you need to be very pakka in your approach and answer. Wrong or right, at least we are learning now. Correct? So now look here, next question. Right, the next important question, the questions which is exactly going to be important for you. If x and y, now look here, if x and y, children answer the question please. If x and y are two functions, not non-empty functions, I'm just speaking the content. If x and y are two non-empty sets, okay, now we are going to write it, the function directly I'm writing, I'm explaining. F x and y are two non-empty sets. Now here the function is exactly going from x tends to y, okay. After that is an onto function, they have given already, it is an onto function, okay. If and only if the range will be, if and only if the range is, now what in all range will be coming? What in all range is coming? X, x intersection y, y. So which one is going to be the correct answer? Come on, say. Which part is going to be the correct answer? Children, just tell me. Which part is going to be the correct answer?
option C.
Which part is going to be the correct answer? Tell which option is going to be the correct answer?
Option C.
Option?
C.
Option D.
Option C. Option D.
Option?
C.
Okay, good evening, Joshika.
B.
B. Excuse me. Option? No option. Answer illa. Very good. Super.
Option C.
Okay, I got an answer. Answer is given by how many people have given the answer? Okay, C. Some people are saying C, some people are saying B, but the correct answer here is C. Why the correct answer here will be C? Come on, come on, come on, look here. Why the correct answer will be C, Sanjana? That's correct only. The correct answer is going to be C. What is the reason behind the correct? Hey, Paityo, leave it. Why the correct? I am also telling you, do your work. Now come on. The correct answer here is. So now look at the correct answer is going to be C. Like this means definitely it's good. So now look at it. Why? Because onto function means A. See, A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is exactly, so range codomain is what? Codomain is Y, and Y is exactly having D, E, F. Range is exactly having D, E, F. So definitely here codomain is equal to range. So since codomain is equal to range, that's what the most important. I hope everybody analyze this part. Come on, quickly say, did you analyze this part? So Y is exactly MCQs. You people are very weak in MCQs. Get ready for it. So definitely range is equal to. So when range is equal to, understood? So when range is equal to codomain, that time onto function. Note down. Kuti information start writing. When range is equal to codomain, when range is equal to codomain, it is exactly called as onto function. Range is equal to codomain onto function. Range is equal to codomain, what it will be called as onto function. Ready? Now this time, check, he should not use mobile. Okay. Okay. So now, the question which came in board exam 2023. I'm giving the question which came in board exam 2023. It is two different type of levels of exam is there. One level of exam is for master blasters, those who will write exam one time itself and pass, and one for them who is maha master blasters. After exams, they are writing another exams. Understood or not? So they are very curious to give CBSE 2-3 times of chances. They are giving CBSE chances. Understood? So for them, this question is an asking. So question is, note down, if A is equal to, write down quickly. This is 2023 question. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, go for it. And B is equal to 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 2, 3, 4. Now, then function from A to B. Then function from A to B. Then function from A to B, which and all is there? Come on, check 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. This is first part. I'm writing everything. 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4. Is it going to be function? Next one is 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3. 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3. And last part, but last but not the least, A. So now 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3, 4. And your time starts now. Come on, go for it.
Option D.
Absent? Now let's see. Wrong, right answer. How many of you said option A? Raise your hand. 1% option A, 2% option A, then option B, avalada. So option A means not saying means avalada. Okay, some are telling option D. So some people are saying option A, some people are saying option B, some people are saying option D. Okay, you take all the options. Now we are going to solve the question. So when you will be exactly from function from A to B. Let's check this one out. Function from A to B. This is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Now first though 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3. Definitely it is not going to be a function because one input should not have, whether question is incomplete. Ma'am, question is not incomplete. Function from A to B. They're asking function from A to B, beta. Function from, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 2, 3, 4, then function from A to B. Then function from A to B, check this one out. Kishore. So now beta first part itself, now you see one input is having two different outputs. The moment one input will be having two different output, it is not possible. So 100% input, one input cannot have two different output. Shivaranjani, good evening beta. So this is not at all a function. So first part is not a correct answer. Goal. So 1 2 2 4 2 4. See 1 2 3 and here 2 3 4. Second option they are telling 1 2 3 and 2 2 4. So here one input is left. Understood? So here one input is left. Again it is not going to be function. Two part already gone. Now next one is 1 3 2 2 3 3. 1 3 2 2 3 3. Let's talk about the third one. So this is also not possible. 1 2 3 2 3 4. 1 2 3 2 2 2 and 3 2 3. It looks like function because all the different input elements, see many one function, this can be considered as a many one. Understood? So this can be considered as what? Many one. Why this can be considered as many one? Because all the domain element first it is mapped. Understood? And two input is having one output. Two input is exactly having what? One output. So now here 1 2 3 3. Let's check this one out. 1 2 3. So hey monkey, 2 3 4 is there. So 1 2 2 2 2 3 3 2 2 then 3 2 4. Is it possible? No. Hey, yes, how? One input is having two outputs. 3 is having two outputs. One input should not have two outputs. So definitely, what is the correct answer, children? The correct answer is C. This is also not there. Because of this, it is not there. Here, 3 is missing. Here, one input is having two outputs. One input is having two outputs. So definitely, C is going to be answered. Understood? So now we will go for the next question. Get ready for it. Children, try to solve the questions, please. The question is, at least some children are interactive. Tanish, you are ready? This time, no mistake. Try, I'm giving you time. Ready? Question is, f such that n tends to n, f of x is equal to x cube. It is what type of function? I will not give you any option. It is what type of function? I have given all optionless content. Most of A, 1 1 onto, chalo I am giving. 1 1 onto first option. Second one is many one onto. Understood. Third is 1 1 but not onto. Fourth one is neither 1 1 nor onto. Neither 1 1 nor onto. Come on, go for it. Come on, try this one out, please. So this is C and this is D. What is the answer? Please say. This time Tanish has given the answer. Tanish, what is the answer? C. Rohit? Oh, wait. I'm waiting. No problem. Very good. Kishore has also given the answer. Answer is C. So Kishore and Tanish has given the answer. Option D. You are going option D. If it is tukka fitting means I'll go and I'll punch you. See, you need to understand one thing. Here, this is exactly 1 1. Understood? Graph, most of the time I'm telling you the graph of 1 1, that is, see, every correspondence is coming like this. Got it? So this is exactly coming as 1 1 and but not onto. It is going to be not onto or not. Check. Is it going to be onto or not? It is natural number. It is natural number. So since it is natural number, it is not going to be. Understood or not? because x cube part will be there, negative section is not going to be satisfied. So 100% it will be 1 1 because here n to n is there. If r to r means bijective, if r to r means bijective, and then if r to r means this diagram is correct, understood or not? But since it is not r to r, it is n to n, so 100% it is going to be 1 1 but not onto. Why? Because look here, this is 1 is coming 1, 2 is coming 8, 3 is coming 27. So what about the other element? The other element 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they are not at all mapped. So this is into. Why? Because here range is a subset of codomain. Range is not equal to codomain. Here range is not equal to codomain. So range is a subset of codomain. Remember this one. Whenever range is a subset of codomain, whenever range is a subset of codomain, it will be considered as into. It will not be considered as onto. Got it? It will not be considered onto, it will be considered as into. I hope it is clear to you. So this is one part. We'll go for the next one, please. Now look here. Get ready for it. Like this type of questions coming in examination means you must be knowing how to write the questions and answers also. So one question I'm giving you, you need to explain about signum function. Signum function is what type of function? Signum function. Signum function. So signum function f of x is written as, signum function f of x is written as, come on, go for it. For signum function 1, if x is greater than 0, 0, if x equal to 0, and minus 1, if x less than 0. So this is exactly 1, 0, minus 1. So now you need to identify and tell me signum function is what type function? Huh? 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 I will draw the graph. I will draw everything. Wait, I'm drawing the graph. Please, people, look here. Signum function means you need to understand signum function f of x is coming, and f of x is written as modulus of x by x. This is exactly considered as signum function. Yes, it is exactly going to considered as signum function. It is not going to be 1 1. Now look here, it is exactly considered as signum function f of x by x. So you please remember 0 cannot be attended here, this part is not met. So this is exactly the graph of signum function. By seeing the graph of signum function, I hope you people are going to analyze for every, see here, is it going to be into or onto? Many one or 1 1? Many one, because different value of x is giving you all the different values of x are there na. X you are putting 1, x you are putting 2, x you are putting 3, 4, 5, 6. Y value is coming as only 1. Okay, so y value is, good evening Mateshwar, so y value is coming only 1. Y value is coming only 1. So it is exactly called as what? Hey, y value is coming as only 1. So it is what? It is many 1. Because different value of x, look here, different value of x like minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, whatever value you are putting, you are getting only one value as negative is giving you what? Minus 1. And positive is giving 0 is giving you 0, and positive is giving you 1 only. So definitely it is many one. It is many one. So Kishore is absolutely correct when he is telling it is many one. Now it is 1 1 or onto? It is into. It is into. Many one into. Means it is neither surjective nor injective. Neither surjective nor injective. Neither surjective nor injective. What is the meaning of injective? Injective is exactly called for Injective is called for 1 1, and onto is surjective. Onto is surjective. Onto is considered as what? Onto is considered as surjective. I hope everybody understood. Matesh, are you ready? Onto is considered as beta surjective. So these are some of the things you must remember. Surjective, injective, different parts are there. So this content is ready. I hope you might have understood. So this is surjective, this is injective part. So whenever somebody will ask you about signum function, you can say that signum function is, you can say that signum function is neither 1 1 nor onto. Why beta? Because different value of x gives one value of y. Understood? So 1 1 is not there. 1 to 1 correspondence is not there. Onto means कि all the codomain element should be equal to range, but here all the codomain element is not equal to range. So 100% this is exactly going to be. So most of the content in board examination, you have to be very clear with your approach. Now go with this question. This is 2023 question. Come on, go for it. So now look here. Question is, if f such that r tends to r is there, note down nicely. If f such that r tends to r, this video will be available for the students, okay? Because once the class will be over, the video will go private and it will not be available for all people. It will be only available for students in the group. Which group you are in, that group, this video will be available. So you need to go in group, you will directly get the videos. Understood? So we are putting live, but after that we are making it private. So live people can see one time only, but private you can see it again and again. That's the thing. So now look here. So f of x is equal to, now what is f of x beta? So if you have to search the video means, you can go in your group and you will get the videos. We are linking all the videos of relation and function and giving you one at a time. Okay. So now, yes. So playlist will be there. So f of x is equal to, note down. So f of x is equal to, note down this one. F of x is sine x. Now g such that r tends to r is there beta. G of x is equal to x square. G of x is equal to x square. Then range of, you have to find the range of f of x and g of x. Come on, find the range of f of x and g of x. What can be the expected range of f of x, g of, here they are not doing composition, here they are not going f of g or g of f. They are not doing that. Directly they are asking range of. So don't think complicated, just give a simple answer here. Just don't think complicated. That is what I'm asking from you. This is a 2-mark question. You need to be very, very specific to the point and write down there. No extra work is needed. But you know what? When you are writing a board examination, they are exactly, they are going to ask only one question. Are you knowing this part? So simple question has been asked now. F such that r tends to r is there. G such that r tends to r is there. F of x is equal to sine x is there. And g of x is equal to x square. Can you say your name please? So g of x is equal to x square. Now look here beta, f of x is equal to sine x. You know, it's very well known that input can be set of real number. But what can be output? What can be output? So output can be minus 1 to 1, because maxima and minima of sine theta is coming as what? So if sine theta maxima and minima is coming as minus 1 to 1, understood? So here minus 1 to 1, absolutely beta. But 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi, rather than writing 0 to 2 pi beta, we can be writing one thing. Range will be going, because see, hey, domain is angle, so we will be writing radian type angle. Don't write radian type angle means it will be defined, because see, whatever trigonometric ratios are there, hey, patak I'll beat. So whatever trigonometric ratios are there before final examination, please kindly don't do like that. 81 days are left, so let me teach, and I'm recording it for you only. So when you will be seeing means, last time means, you will be able to get the contents. So now look here. First thing is, ki whatever angles you are writing, the angle will keep on rotating here only, na? So whatever angles will be rotating, so in its domain you would go for domain for set of real number. Domain for inverse trigonometric function domain, principal domain for sine is minus, now it is the absolute correct answer. Range is -1 to 1, closed interval for sine theta, but domain will be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 for inverse. Understood? For inverse. So when somebody will be asking you for inverse trigonometry means for bijective. Are you understanding? For function when you are writing. For function when you are writing, you have two approaches. Listen nicely. For any value of sine theta, for any angle of sine theta, like if I will be writing here sine 360,000,000 degree. Understood? It will keep on rotating into the axis and we will minimize it and the answer will come what? Between -1 to 1. So range is what? Range will be exactly coming, take it inside your range. Range will come as closed interval -1 to 1, where domain can be defined for set of real numbers. So real numbers are exactly the, what is the real part? Here real numbers are exactly what? The real numbers here are that radian system part. Got it? But beta, here another important part for inverse trigonometry, where we are dealing with function. That time the principal domain of sine theta is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. You remember this one. The principal domain of sine theta. The principal domain, yes? No, it is exactly going for range of gx is set of real number. Absolutely correct. Range is not set of real number. Here also wrong. So only I am telling you, every night, can I keep 40-minute session for clarifying all your MCQ doubts and small question doubts and big doubts? So now look here, this is not done. I'm getting many mistakes from all of you when you are speaking. Means I don't think you people are ready for board exam right now. So first you need to understand, first from the beginning I'm brushing up your concepts. Here the range is -1 to 1 for sine theta. For cos theta also the range will be what? Note down first. So sine theta range will be -1 to 1 closed interval. Same it will be for sine theta and for cos theta. For secant theta and cosecant theta, range will be -1 1. It is minus infinity to -1 and 1 to infinity. This is the range for cosecant and secant. For tan theta and cot theta, range is set of real number. This is the difference. Please kindly have a final. Yes, absolutely correct, beta. So subset of R will be there. Range is subset of R, but range part I'm going to explain one more time. I'll be explaining that part. Kishore, did you understood this one? It's closed bracket. Infinity will be coming A. Minus infinity -1 closed bracket union 1 to infinity. This one is coming as closed bracket -1 to 1. So this is exactly the thing. Please remember this part before board examination. Small kuti details also must be very crucial for you. One single clue you should not be missing before going for final examination. I hope you might have understood it. Now listen carefully, children. So this is exactly, but what about x square? So we must see that when you are talking about, see, look here, when you are talking about f such that, sorry, here it was given as g such that r tends to r. What is given? G such that r tends to r. So domain is what? Domain is set of real number. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Beta, what is the range you are getting? So it is coming 4. After the class, there will be one very nice session. I will talk to you afterwards. You are gone today. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So -2 is coming as 4, -1 is coming as 1, 0 is coming as 0, 1 is coming as 1, 2 is coming as 4. So definitely you see everything is coming positive only. Everything is coming positive only, relation and function. Everything is coming positive only. So when everything is coming positive here, that means range will be what? Range of g of x, range part will be coming as Range part will be coming 0 to 1 or 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. So range of g of x, because it start with 0 and all negative number mapping will also come for positive. So all negative number mapping is also coming for positive. All negative number is also coming for positive. This you must remember, please. I have everybody understood this one? What is the domain? Set of real number. What is the range? 0 to infinity. Range is coming as 0 to infinity. Yes, I am going to repeat, Alvin. So these are some. Now look here. Now listen, beta. See, Alvin, please pay attention here. The most important thing to be noted here is कि when you talk about y is equal to a, g of x is equal to x square, g of x, h of x is equal to x cube. That time now, whatever variable you are putting, that variable is defining everything. Understood? So whenever that variable is going to define any part, we are going to check this one out. So we are going to discuss this part. So whenever we are going to discuss these sections, we are going to talk about just 1 minute. So now look here, beta. So when you are writing y is equal to f of x, when you are writing this section, so whenever you are writing x square part, so x square part means all will not be mapped. Understood? So here codomain will become set of, see, understand two situations are there. When codomain is equal to range, this is onto. Understood? This is coming as onto. But when range is a subset of codomain, range is a subset of codomain. So once range is a subset of codomain, it will be considered as what? It is considered as into. So that's the massive difference, onto and into. So y is equal to x square when you are writing y is equal to x cube, x5. So that time only linear part will be, curved sections will be mostly into only. Okay, into, not onto. Got it? So here, is it clear? Alvin, is it clear, beta? Alvin, is it clear? Till here it is clear. Everyone, please note this type things and please focus into what I am saying. Most important, crucial lining questions I am exactly discussing. Okay, so definitely please do this question. Now, next question I am going to ask from you, because range finding is one of the topic which will be, you do one thing, you rewind the video and check one time. Very simple thing I have explained. Y is equal to x square, x cube. Okay, I'm going to explain. One more doubt is here. Say.
So for the range of x cube will be minus infinity to plus infinity.
Yes. So now look here, range part. Look here, Madesh. So if somebody will tell y is equal to x cube, it totally depends upon what you are writing. Understood? And how you are writing. Range part, when you are writing y is equal to x cube, here it is coming as f such that r tends to r is there. So you know that when you will be taking, check here now, we will type here, try to understand here. Minus 3 you do, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Understood? Same here, minus 3 cube will become 27. What 27? Minus 27. Minus 2 will become minus 8. Minus 1 will become minus 1. 0 will become 0. 1 will become 1. 2 will become 8 and 3 will become 27. But beta, did you notice one thing? All of the domain elements are mapped and it is 1-1 mapping. It is 1-1. So y is equal to x cube is going for 1-to-1 mapping. But is it onto or into? Is it going to, because after 27, it is mapping with -8. So all fraction part will be there, but other numbers like absolute numbers like 2, 3 are not matching. 2, 3 are not coming. So here Shivaranjani, what happened? What doubt you are having? So 2, 3 part is not coming. So it is what type of function? It is 1, 1, but not onto. Understood? And its range will be between -infinity to +infinity. For x square range will be, yes, absolutely correct. For x square range will be 0 to infinity. X square, x4, x6, x8, whatever even number degrees will be there, its range will be 0 to infinity. Whatever odd number degrees will be there, its range will be -infinity to +infinity. Understood? So its range will be x5, x7, x9. All range will be exactly that one only. Understood? So I hope you might have understood. I hope till here, is it clear? Till here, children, is it clear? So now we will be going to see very crucial part of relation and functions, which is still now missed out. I'm exactly writing. I hope you might have understood this part. So that's what I want you people to, which sections came and whatever questions I'm asking, all questions back to back came in board examination from the beginning. Okay. So now we are going to go for the next level question. Okay. Next level question, I'm going to go for it. Now you need to answer this question. This question came in CBSE 2019 and 2020. So just 2019 and 2020, what question they have given? F of x is equal to 2x is what type function? They have told, but I am asking from you. F of x is equal to 2x, and here f of x is written as f of x, f such that r tends to r. F such that r tends to r is there. Come on, you say me what type of function. Children, type and write down. First check, f of x is equal to 2x. It is what type of function? This much clarification I have given. Can you say me what is the answer? 1 1 into super beta. See, first now take out your fear. Many people are having fear like, "Yeah, I should not be answering, I should have hesitant." They see, if the moment you will have hesitation means you will not be able to get good marks. Wrong, right? I'm here to rectify it now. Huh? So now look at. So what is exactly f such that r tends to 1? First though, you check domain part. Domain is set of real number. So we'll start with -2, -1, -0, 1, 2, 3. And here beta also we can write it as -2, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay. So when we will be multiplying it with 2 into -3, it will become -6. Then it will become -4. Then -1 will become -2. Then 0 will become 0. 1 will become 2. Sorry, 1 will become 2. 2 will become 4. Did you notice one thing? It is 1 to 1. But beta here range is subset of codomain. Why? Beta, because -3 is not mapped, -1 is not mapped, 1 is not mapped. So certain elements are left unmapped. So it is called as, so they will give you that what type of function it is. Then what answer you are going to say? 1 1 but not into. 1 1 but not into. 1 1 but not into. Got it? That's what I said. 1 1 but not into. But not into is, sorry, but not onto. 1 1 but not onto. So that's what it is called as into.
If we take domain as 1 by 2, then we will get range.
All half elements we are getting now. We are getting half of part. See, you need to understand this one. So only mistake is coming. Now how we are going to prove it is 1 1. So the process of proving is, proving starts like this. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is x1? 2x1. And what is x2? 2x2. 2 2 cancel. So x1 is coming equal to x2. So once x1 is coming equal to x2, this is 1 function. Understood? Now you have to write y is equal to 2x. So x will be equal to y by 2. Are you understanding? So all half of elements will be exactly going for x. Correct? So if y is 4, then only x will become 2. Are you understanding? So if y will be 5, x will come as fraction. X will come as fraction. So 100% all the domain element will be mapped, but co-domain element. So for there will be definitely some element which will not be mapped. Understood? So only range is a subset of codomain. Here very simple technique I taught you. You see, this is x value. Check it nicely. This is x and this is y. What is your function given? Y is equal to 2 times of x. So when y is equal to 2 times of x is there, you put x equal to minus 2. What is the value of y? Minus 4. Because 2 into minus 2, how much it will come? Minus 4. Why minus 1? It is coming as minus 2. 0 means 0. 1 means 2. But beta, in all this process, hi Divya, in all this process, one thing is there, in between some numbers are left. In between some numbers are left. So when all the numbers, some numbers are left, so when some numbers are left, very good Divya, please kindly see this video and learn. When some numbers are left, so it is not going to be onto. It will be into. So now very crucial, important questions we are discussing, which will be coming. Understood?
What is the difference between onto and into function?
Beta, what is the difference between onto and into function in this platform? Like now exam you are going to write and now you are asking, miss, seriously I'll punch you. In simple way I'm teaching you. Okay. Now look here. A, B, C is there. E, F, G, H is there. When this is exactly, now you need to understand this. This is all domain element. This is codomain element. What and all are the codomain element? E, F, G, H. But how many elements are mapped? Co-domain elements are what? Come on, say. Co-domain elements are E, F, G, H. And what is range, beta? Mapped elements range. Range is E, F, G. That means definitely range is a subset of codomain. Range is a subset of codomain. Understood? That's why it is called as into. Got it? But in the same case, if this I am removing, understood? So if this I am removing, now range is equal to codomain. So the moment I am removing this one, range is coming equal to codomain. Then it will become onto. And inverse of C, whose bijective, whose inverse is possible? Bijective function inverse is possible. Whose inverse is possible? Bijective function inverse is possible. Bijective function inverse is possible. I hope you might have understood. Bijective function inverse is possible, beta. So whose inverse is possible? Bijective function inverse is possible. Bijective function inverse is possible. I hope you might have understood. Bijective function inverse is possible. So this is exactly the most important part. So now we will go for the next one. Another question, this question is NCERT question, and this question is creating problem again and again. This question is coming in examination, and most of the students are doing mistake in this type questions. Okay, now first I want to discuss two type questions. Should I explain or not? I hope now I'm going to explain this section. Get ready for it, please. Question I'm writing first. Please understand the question nicely and then attempt the question. because if you will do here and there means answer will go here and there. How to write the answer in the most best possible way for function also I'm going to teach. So tomorrow one by one, phase by phase, I will be collecting some. First one set of questions will be 3D question. Now next set of questions will be like vectors question. I will be standing and teaching. Okay. So, now question is, write down. F of x, this is NCRT question, so do it very carefully. Question is f of x, let n such that f such that n tends to n, natural number I have given. Okay, defined by f of n is equal to, first is n by 2, when if n is even, got it? If n is even, the second part is, it will become n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd. Got it, beta? After this, what they are telling, state whether the function, state whether the function state whether the function is bijective. If yes, then justify the answer. So like these type questions is very, very easily catchable. They will catch these type questions and give. So first thing is, beta, this part is there in solution section. You people try please in solution section. F of x will be equal to f of n. Na? F of n is equal to, first f of, it is coming as n plus 1 by 2. If n is odd, and n by 2 if n is even. So now let's go for it. Is it going to be? See, very carefully solve it. How it is going to be bijective, beta? First thing, now listen. See, it looks like it is bijective, but it is not bijective. Very carefully design it. On two part, I can explain. I'm going to explain everything first. Please listen to me very carefully. It is set of natural numbers, now. Now I will design it very properly for you so that you will not do mistake in these type questions. Now, beta, first part is, just listen to me carefully. After that, you decide is it going to be 1 1 or not. So when you are taking in solution section, when you are taking n is equal to 1, that is n is equal to 1 or 3 or 5, that time function will be coming as 1 plus 1 by 2. Function f of 1 will be 1 plus 1 by 2. So it is coming as 1. F of 3 will be coming as 3 plus 1 by 2. So it is coming as 2. F of 5 is coming as 5 plus 1 by 2. It is coming as 3. Understood? So this part is coming. Now next section, beta. Next section, check. When n is equal to 2 or 4 or 6, any number n is equal to 2 we are taking, then beta f of 2 will be coming as 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Now beta f of 4 if you are taking, 4 by 2 is coming as 2. Now f of 6 you are taking, 6 by 2 is coming as 3. Are you ready for it? Yes, it is bijective function. We will check this one out, beta. Divya, look here, beta. Now n domain is set of natural numbers, na? Domain is set of natural numbers. Now look here, beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now look here. If you are taking n is equal to 1, y is also coming as 1. If you are taking n is equal to 2, y is coming as 1. If you are taking n is equal to 3, y is coming as 2, 4, 2, 5, 3. So this is not 1 1 function because 2, see, odd number taking answer coming 1. Even number taking, answer coming 1. 2 input having 1 output. So it is not 1 1. Understood? So that means it is not injective. Not injective. But did you notice, beta, all the set of natural numbers will be mapped. All the set of natural numbers will be mapped. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like that systematically. 4 will also get mapped by 7 and 8. So definitely range here is equal to codomain. Therefore, it is onto. And onto is called as surjective function. What is onto called as? Surjective function. So onto is considered as surjective function. So 100% it is not going to be, is it raining? So 100% it is not going to be 1 1, but it is going to be onto. Note down this one, very, very important question. So if function questions will be asked, they will be dealt like this only. Done, beta? I hope you might have understood the session. How was the session? Did you like the session? Understood nicely. So now, beta, this recorded part will be there for the students. For others, it will not be. For you people, it will be. Okay. So we will be meeting tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think 5 to 6 hours class I'm going to take. If school is not there, means proper alternate segment I will keep on taking class. Okay. Gap I will give beta and I will be. Okay. Gokulam school test pre-board exam time, please send me beta. One time pre-board exam. Yes, so classes will be beta. Pre-board timings beta. Please send me. Wait. I'm asking from Gokulam students to send the timings.